So in OR subject, in operations research, the types of variables are slack variable, types of variables, slack variable, surplus variable, first one, second one, okay. Third one is basic variable, fourth one is non-basic, fifth one is artificial. So these are the types of variables. So in the previous video already we discussed what is slack and what is surplus variables. Today we will discuss the next variable, that is basic variable. So actually this basic variable is very important in operation research, because in operation research we have some methods to solve inequalities. The methods are simplex method 1, simplex 2, simplex 3, dual simplex, duality simplex. To apply this method, first you have to identify which are basic variables. So this is very important one. Okay. Now we'll see how to identify the basic variables. Okay. Now I am taking the inequalities here. 3x1 plus 2x2 less than 4, 5x1 plus 4x2 less than 7, right? Now first I will convert this into equation form. Already you know, when a less than inequality is there, you have to add plus s1 here plus s2. Those s1, s2 are slack variables. 3x1 plus 2x2 plus s1 equal to 4. This is 5x1 plus 4x2 plus s2 equal to 7, right? Now out of these two equations, we have to identify which are basic variables. So here how many variables are there? x1, x2, s1, s2. These are the variables which are there in the given two equations, right? Now to identify the basic variables, here we have to take the help of I matrix. You know what is I matrix, right? Two equation means you take 2 by 2 I matrix, that is 1 0 0 1, right? Now see the quotient of x1 quotients are 3 and 5. Your 3 and 5 is not satisfying your first column of I matrix or second column of I matrix. Hence your x1 is not a basic variable. Okay. Next go for x2. x2 quotients are 2 and 4. 2 and 4 again not satisfying your first column or second column. Your x2 is not a basic variable. Okay. Right. Next s1. Quotients are 1 and 0. Here s1 is not there. 1 and 0 is satisfying the first column of I matrix. Hence where s1 is a basic variable, right? What about s2? s2 not there. 0, here s2 is there. 0 and 1 satisfying second column. So s2 is a basic variable. So the quotients which satisfies the I column matrix, then those variables are known as basic variables, right? I will take another example to see which are basic variables here. Okay. 4x1 plus 5x2 is less than 10. Okay. 3x1 plus 9x2 is less than 14. Right? Next is you take one more inequality, 5x1 plus 10x2 less than 12. Now convert this into equation form. So to convert, what I have to do? I have to add plus s1, okay, here plus s2, right, here plus s3. This already you know, whenever less than form is there, you go for plus s1 plus s2 plus s3, right? Now how many variables are there? x1, x2, s1, s2, s3. Now how many equations are there? 3, right? 3 means take 3 by 3 I matrix. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Right? Now, see the x1 quotient. X1 quotients are 4 3 5. 4 3 5 is not satisfying first column or second column or third column. So x1 is not a basic variable. x2 5 9 10 not satisfying first, second or third. x2 is not a basic variable. s1 1 0 0 satisfied first column. s1 is a basic variable. s2 0 1 0 satisfied second column. 0 1 0. s2 is a basic variable. s3 0 0 1 satisfied 0 0 1. s3 is a basic variable. So here s1 comma s2 comma s3 are basic variables. Okay. So now, which are basic variables which satisfies the quotient of I matrix are known as basic variables, and the remaining which does not satisfy, here x1 x2 are not satisfying this I matrix, hence x1 x2 are known as non-basic variables, right? So here x1 x2 are non-basic variables. Okay, right? So till now we discussed the slack variable, the surplus variable, the basic variable and non-basic variable. And one more variable is there, that is artificial variable. In next video, we'll discuss which variables are called as artificial variables. Okay? Thank you.